Assalamu alaikum to all. My name is Afsha and I am student of ninth class. So as you all know that today we are doing debate here on a very amazing and most important topic. The topic is that Indian culture versus Western culture. Which culture is better? So according to me and according to my knowledge, the Indian culture is far better than the Western culture. Now this point is come that why I am saying this thing that the Indian culture is far better than the Western culture. Because I live in India and I have a lots of knowledge behind it. That's why I'm in the favor of this culture. And second thing is also here that Indian culture is most beautiful and unique culture. But some people has tried to deform this culture. But nevertheless, our culture is a unique culture and a very beautiful culture. If I talk about the Western culture, in the Western culture, the drinks, alcohol, it's a common thing. And this thing does not come in our culture. And second thing is also here that the people of Western culture, they are uncaring and selfish people. That's it.
So, hello everyone. Today we all have gathered here to have a debate on a amazing, controversial, paramount, disputable and enormous topic which is about culture. Indian culture or Western culture. Which culture is better? So we know very well that culture is the name for what people are interested, their thoughts, their models, the books they read, the speeches they hear. Culture plays a very important role in everyone's life. Every culture should be respected and every culture is good. But today I am going to support the Western culture because I have some consolidated point about Western culture. I really believe from my heart that Indian culture, it is an old culture, it is a traditional culture which believes on traditional norms like arranged marriage, joint family, dowry system. Both cultures are good at their places. However, there are some flaws and shortcomings in Indian culture which are abolished by the Western culture like Sati Pratha, gender inequality, discrimination on the basis of caste, on the basis of race, on the basis of sex, on the basis of religious, on the basis of place of birth, and whatever. But Western culture is known as the advanced and the modern culture, and Western culture promotes the freedom, gender equality, and as well as equality. In Western culture, there is no differentiation between man and woman. Both are considered as equal in the society. Women also have freedom to choose what they wish to wear. They are not limited to certain boundaries. But when it comes to Indian culture, so women, they are limited to certain boundaries. How? If I talk about the arranged marriage, so women cannot get married by their consent. They will have to get married by their parents' consent. Why? They cannot get love marriage. And second thing, I want to give answer to my one opponent. She was talking about that in Indian culture, people they celebrate many festivals all together. So I want to tell you that in Western culture, and she was also mentioning that Western culture people they don't like celebrate festivals all together. So I would say that Western culture people they don't like kerfuffle. They don't like kerfuffle. They like noise peace. They like peace. Because of that thing, they don't celebrate festivals altogether.